Task 4 of English at 2 of the Universidad Nacional Abierta y a Distancia, Teacher Clara Mireya Castro Aguilera. Step 3. My name is Antonia Meneses Jimenez. I am 23 years old. In my free time, I like to spend time with my family, listen music, and to study. I currently live in the Popayán city. In the last vacation, I went to Tumaco. I live with my husband. I am studying engineering system. My next vacation, I will travel to the island of San Andrés and Providencia. My hobbies is watching movies on recipe, sancocho de gallina. Ingredients: 2 cups of water, 1 chicken, 1 tablespoon salt, garlic to taste, color to taste, 1 branch of onion, 1 branch of cilantro, 1 split cassava, potato guata, papa amarilla, corn in pieces, and preparation of sancocho de gallina. First, add the water in a pot, add the chicken, the crushed garlic, the salt, the color to taste, the chopped onion, a branch of coriander, and the corn. Add that late. Boil long enough that the banana is at the meanwhile chopped by hand. Add the words to the minutes. Add the split cassava also, potato water, the papa amarilla, cut in the pieces and let the rest of the ingredients until everything is cooked. Finally, eat from the heat and serve.